Windows 11 computer cannot access other computer in same network. So let's start. 1 second. Don't skip the video because every step is very important for you. Right click the start button and select settings and click it. Then select network and internet and click it. Then select properties and click it. There are two options, public network and private network. Select private network. Now come to the desktop again. Select network. Right click the network and select properties. A screen will be appear. Here you will find change advanced sharing setting. Select change advanced sharing settings and open it. Now there will be options of private network. In the private network option, you must on the network discovery and also on the file and printer sharing. Now come to the public network and click the down arrow. You will find network discovery and file printer sharing. On the network discovery and also on the file and printer sharing. Now you come to the all network options and also click the down arrow. You will find three options, public folder sharing, file sharing connections and password protected sharing. On the public folder sharing and file sharing connection is recommended 128-bit encryptions. Now come to the password protected sharing and off the password protected sharing. Come to the desktop again. Press Windows button and R key together on your keyboard. A run box will appear. Write here GPEDIT.MSC. GPEDIT.MSC option not available in Windows Home version. You will find this type of error. I have already discussed in my previous video how to enable GPEDIT.MSC in Windows 11 Home version. Now write GPEDIT.MSC in run box and click OK. Local group policy editor will be open. Select administrative templates and click. Now right side you will find network option. Select and double click. Now you find landman workstation. Select it and double click it. Now in the right side you will find enable insecure guest logons. Select it and double click. Now there is option is enable insecure guest logons not configured, enable and disable. Select enable and press apply and OK. Write local security policy and open it as run as administrator. Local security policy editor will be open. Select local policy and click it. Then select security option and click it. And scroll down and select Microsoft Network Client Digitally Signed Communication Always. Double click that and ensure that the option must disable and click OK. Then select Microsoft Network Client Digitally Signed Communication if server agrees. Double click that and select disable and click apply and OK. Select control panel and open it. You can also open control panel from writing control panel in search option. Now in the control panel options you will find credential manager. Select credential manager and open it. From here you will find two options, web credential and Windows credential. Select Windows credential and then select add a Windows credential. Here you have to write the network computer name which you want to connect. For example, I here write server as a network computer name. Then you have to write username of the network computer and password of the network computer. If network computer has not any password, then leave the password place blank. After successfully configure all the settings, you will be solve your problem. But if your problem not solved yet, then apply my last options. But remember, use it at the end. Write network reset option in the search box. Network reset option will be open. Click open. There is an option reset now. Click reset now. A pop-up message will appear. Are you sure you want to reset your network setting? Click yes. Then wait for 5 minutes. Your system will be restart automatically and your problem will be solved permanently.